All right. Here we go again. Next day, 9:30. Anchor the VWAP. Step number 1 complete. Next step, do we make a high first, low second, or low first, high second? Let's see. We made a low first, high second. What does that mean? It means we have a 65% chance of longs playing out today. So we want to look for longs, not shorts. Obviously, don't get married to your stats. Don't get married to your bias. But that's the first initial thought I have when I'm looking at this. All right. What happens? Kind of freaky consolidation period here. Okay. Next step. Low to high. 9:30 to 10:30. The lowest point and the highest point. Draw that out with your fib. Now, what do I want, or what am I looking for to happen? I want a retrace into these fib levels, ideally into this VWAP, and then I want to see reactions start wicking, and then I want to take longs, right? Bam. Perfect. We just hit the VWAP. We just hit the 0.5, right? This is looking very, very, very good, potentially. However, we want to start seeing a reaction off of this. Okay, never mind. We just broke through it. That's fine. It was a double break. There's only about a 10% chance of this happening, but it happened. Right? That's fine. We just don't trade. Go next. That's fine. Don't force trades. Next day, what happens? Right here, VWAP. Step number 1 complete. Step number 2. Okay, we didn't really get a low and a high, so it's looking like we want to go shorts though, if we get the opportunity. Okay, we're wicking here. Hold on. We are wicking here. Wicking a lot, actually. I want to see confirmation though. Okay, yeah. This would have been your short right here. Right here. So we tapped the VWAP. I didn't take it just because I wasn't too sure, but we tapped the VWAP, got a massive wick down. Then right here, you can see we had a drop. This right here would have been like the ideal entry right here. You see that you get some selling. You would have entered shorts right here. You would have targeted the 0.4. In this case, it wouldn't have been hit, right? As you can see. However, you would have partialed or trailed or whatever. So it's fine. Go next day. Can't get them all. Didn't lose anything. That's all that matters. A break-even day is a winning day, guys. It's a lot of people don't seem to understand. But a break-even day is a winning day. Or it should be a winning day to you guys. So we made the high and then the low. So we want to look for shorts, right? Again, I shouldn't really do this, actually. But I'm going to do it just to show you guys the statistics. It comes down to statistics. Just because you guys should not take this trade, but statistically speaking, this thing is going to play out. Like, we have a 65% chance of this going shorter or further down, whatever. So place order, save. This is not a good this is not a smart trade. You want to have other confirmations. I'm just showing you guys these statistics are actually it's real numbers, and people still, I don't know, bro. People still don't understand. Bam. Okay. It's literally just numbers. Okay, we just made $400. Now I'm going to break even. Bang. Okay. Bam. We just made what? Another $700. We're up 1.1k now. Right? Bang. I could have moved my thing. We just made $2,000 off of statistics. I did not take it off of anything else. It is all just numbers, bro. It's a numbers game. Nothing else. Just we have taken this account to 22.5K in. I really want to see when I started. Hold on. I will. Let's see. How many days has this been trading for? Is there a way to see? Here you go. 0303. Wait. Okay, 10th of March. And now we're on May. Yeah, so it's 1 month of data. It's one month of data, right? So you could have just literally, bro, if you guys just traded this, just this strategy, no book map, no nothing. That's 22K in 1 month. And like Miles said, bro, imagine that. Imagine that on 3 accounts. That is some life-changing money. Anyway, by the way, this is another strategy that I trade. Potential sweep right here. This is not what I'm here to teach you guys today, but I'm just saying we're gonna probably have a reversal off of one of these. Let's see. There you go. Right here. What do you mean? Yeah. Okay, it's this one. Yeah, but I'll show you which one it is. Where is it? There should be a yeah, there should be a power hour here. Here, power hour continuation. So there's only about an 8% chance, 10% chance, 9% chance of the. Okay, so I will draw for everyone that doesn't understand what I'm saying right now. I'll draw this out for you, and you can read the. Here, you can read the stats yourself. Okay, Jesus, I need to clean up my chart. But anyway, this stat is telling you that, okay, imagine this line is 930, right? And this line is market close right here. And so what this stat is telling you is if the market has been trending up, it looks like, let's say it looks like something like this. And then this is 3, you can read it yourself. It says right here, open 3 p.m., right? So if the market's been green and then 3 p.m., so the last hour is opened green, right? From the start. So we opened green. There is only a 9% chance that we are going to take the low of the day right here. So what you want to use, I don't really use this that much because usually you don't get entries from this, but how you would use it is if you're close to breaking the low of the day, you want a long. It is that simple because statistically, you're not going to break it, right? Only 1 out of 10 times you're going to break it. So you want a long. All right. Now, yeah, that is also because of news though, right? It's kind of out of our hand. This is another strategy. However, this is something that I will be going over in the mentorship. But I usually have a 15-point stop. Let's see how far this would have gone. But yeah, I will show you guys. Just look at this shit, bro. It's actually like, I literally called it. I'm not gonna lie, I literally called it. And this is a what? A 100-point move. You would have been break even by now, and you would have partialed. So you would have already been up like $1,000 at this point. Now, let's see. Stop break even. Okay, it's fine. $1,000. Anyway, that's not what I'm teaching you guys here today. So let's not focus on that. Bam. I almost, like, we're getting close to when I remember how these things played out. I know there's CPI here in a few days. But that's, again, not relevant. Okay, something is tweaking out because it's not skipping forward. Oh, and we missed our entry. Potentially missed our entry. Perfectly tapped to 0.618. All right, that's fine. Maybe not, right? Let's have some faith. Here, we're seeing selling step in. This is where I would be confident in trying a short. Bam. Target to 0.5. Statistically speaking, it's going to get hit if we break this low. Save. Bam. We just made 1.4K in 5 minutes. What do? Save. Okay, not save. I'm scaling is what I'm saying. Just scale half your position. I just partialed. Break even. Oop. Okay, we got stopped. However, we now have a new IB. This is the IB, 1030, 930 to 1030. We just went back. If you guys notice, we tapped into the VWAP, right? Tapped into the VWAP, and now we're getting selling again. And we perfectly tapped the 0.5. Look, it is pretty simple, guys. Okay, I'm already up 1K on the day or whatever. I don't remember how much I made, but on that trade. So I don't mind kind of playing with my profits here, potentially making way more for the day. I don't mind that. I'm fine with that. So again, what happened? We tapped the VWAP. We tapped the fib level. Selling is stepping in, right? What do? Let's try this. We're in shorts. Immediately in drawdown. Let's see if this can get saved. Okay, we just start consolidating. This is not good. In this case, I probably, like in real markets, I probably would have just closed and walked away and had a good day here, because this is not very, very fun to just sit here for. Okay, stopped out. That's fine. We lost like 500. We made 1K on the trade, whatever. We're up 500 for the day, let's say. It's fine, right? New day. What do? Step 1, anchor the VWAP, 930 candle. Step 2, once we get a little retrace, or we just start ripping. If we get a retrace, okay, we don't. All right, go next. It's fine. New day, anchor the VWAP on the 930 candle. Step 1 is complete. Step 2, we made a high and then a low. Statistically speaking, we want to look for shorts now. So what do? VWAP is anchored. The low or the high and the low has been made. So we want to look for shorts. Now I place out my fib. And I want to see a retrace up here. Good. Okay. Now I'm scaling into the 1 minute. We're reacting off this fib level. Let's see. Bam. We reacted off the 0.618. That's good enough for me. I will try this. Here, go on the 5 minute, just because it's cleaner. Go like this. Enter shorts, right? Stop above the highs. Usually I don't have this big stops. This is during prime Trump markets, like I said. Usually, if you get a good entry, a 25-point stop loss is more than enough, right? Let's see. Again, we're just consolidating. It's been a lot of this, and we're stopped out. It's fine. And there's no way. Okay. All right. It's fine. We're still up 22K. New day. 930. VWAP. Uh, yeah. Yep. It was. Um, Miles is correct, right? We made the low, then the high. So statistically speaking, again, which is what I did a few times here, you could have just right here, bam, stops below this target. Let's use our IB for the targets, right? IB for the targets. Target that right here. This would have been a negative RR, so I wouldn't really have taken this. You could have maybe targeted up here for a 1 RR. You have statistics on your side. It's not a bad trade. Technically, it's not a bad trade. Okay, next day. What do we have? Right. VWAP has been placed. Just consolidating. I believe we're gonna go shorter here. But we're just consolidating. So couldn't really tell you, but yeah. Okay, so we did dump. This wouldn't have been a bad short entry right here. But again, there's days when you don't really want to trade, and this is one of them. When you're just moving sideways, don't bother, right? You have statistics. You have statistics on your good trades, and then you can make them even better if you don't trade these days when we're consolidating and having bad price action. Then your statistics are going to be even better, right? Okay, this looks like a trend day. I'm going to try the thing Miles taught me. And I see that we are in a low volume node. This is how I would have used Bookmap. I don't know if this works the same way though, so. This lines up with nothing except for the fact that it's a low volume node, and I like it. So let's try it. I'm not saying this. This is just for me because I'm kind of curious. Okay, bam. Okay, take half of it off. Just made 700. This shit might be the. I might need to put people on this as well. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Okay, you're up. We're up. Like, okay, we've already taken. The account is now at 23K. Let's let this shit keep riding, bro. Let this shit ride. Just took off another 500. Bam. Okay. The account is now at 24K. I'm going to take this to 100K. I don't care. This shit is going to get taken to 100K. Realistically, I would start scaling up. Like, this could have already been at 100K. I would be scaling up at this point. But the thing is, I could, but I should have already been scaled up. And so if I don't want to, actually, I might. I know. It is kind of, okay. So we made the high, then the low. Okay, again, technically, you guys want to have more than this. However, just because I won't. Just because I want to show you guys that statistics are statistics and it's numbers. And it's a numbers game at the end of the day. I want to show you guys that. And I might get stopped out here, guys. Okay. Again, statistically speaking, there's only about a 35% chance that we go higher here. And I've already taken 2 of these, and both of them I've been right. So it wouldn't be weird if I get stopped out here. But again, I just want to show you guys how powerful this is. Let's see. Bam. Let's see. Okay, we get stopped out. That's fine. I deserve that, to be honest, because I had 2 in a row where I made like 3K from just that, which is kind of retarded. Okay, now back to the normal and real trades. Step number 1, anchor the VWAP, right? I low-key want to try this again because it's looking like we might just... No, we like tap... not really, actually. Oh, fuck. We perfectly tapped the VWAP. This is looking like... I'm going to try this. Stops below. This isn't really following the strategy. This is just because I have seen the same scenario 100 times before, and I feel confident enough in just trying it again. Might just be wrong. I'm not gonna increase my risk on this one just because it's not really taken off of anything other than intuition. There you go. I mean, $600, whatever. We take off 300, let's say. Go break even. Okay, bang. We just made 1K off of intuition, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'll scale most of it like that, and then here I will trail like this. See if this wants to go further. Obviously, okay, we're just consolidating. I'm gonna take it all off. However, it is looking like, yeah, okay, it was a good call. Jesus, very good call. How to know where to anchor the VWAP? Okay, guys, does anyone know? This is what I've said. First candle, 9:30 is where we anchor the VWAP. 9:30 every single day. 9:30. Yes, so I'll show you. I just remove everything except for the VWAP. I don't use the lower band, upper band. Yeah, it is different. It is different. I'll show you. Hold on. Let me show you real quick. So this right here, hold on. This right here is my normal VWAP, right? And then I will anchor my VWAP right here. Okay, that was wrong. Right here, you see, they're similar, but they're not identical. Okay, this is the VWAP settings for whoever asked. Okay, so we anchored the VWAP. Now what happens? Okay, it's looking like we want to go up today. Now I'm gonna use Miles's little trick here because I don't have Bookmap, so this is the closest thing I have. We just entered the POC, aka the power point of control, where the most amount of volume has been transacted. So this might act as some sort of support. We're wicking here as well, potentially. Right here, we're at the VWAP. Wicking, getting buying. Okay. I like the looks of this for a potential long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this right here. You want me to? Yeah, I mean, this is a good trade to scale up, actually. Okay, everyone here, I'm going to start scaling up because I do want to take this to 100K. That would be kind of cool. Ooh. Do we go 2? We could just go 2 for each one. I will. Okay, we're bossed up. Let's see. Oh no. This is fine. I'm gonna try this again. It's fine. If we just keep the same risk, literally, it's again, it's a numbers game. It doesn't matter. It hurts risking 2.5K, but damn, made $700 off that little move is kind of insane. 1.1K. Oh no. This is scary, dude. And it's not even. It's just because. It's just because. I'm trying to. Okay, I don't care. Whatever. Okay. It is. No, it literally is. It literally is. It's just I think my risk management might be different when I trade like this. Because I want to go to break even right now, which is arguably not a great idea. Yeah, I'll put it right there. There we go. We just made 3K on this. Risk is okay. I am gonna take off half now, and then I would go break even here. Okay, I would have been stopped out. Yeah, and I would have been stopped out right here, which is so it's a good thing. It might just rip now, by the way, because we had that sweep of the liquidity. Yeah, it is. It is ripping. That's fine, right? We took one trade, we lost it. We took another one, and we made it back. We're pretty much break even. It's fine. We're at 74K. I'm pretty sure I made like $10 or something. All right. What do we do? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, we anchor. That is correct, Miles. What? Oh, okay. I think that the joke went past me. This, I'm not gonna lie, I would be inclined to take this. Yeah, so this is not what I'm teaching you guys here. This is just anchored off of the low. And I would be inclined to teach this or to take this, I mean. Let's see. Tap the 0.5. I'm going to try this. This again, this is just straight up like intuition, like or just having seen this 100 times. This is just from having seen this so many times. It is. This is risky. Fuck it though. Scared money don't make money. A very smart man told me that once. Bam, we just made 3K. Okay, I don't like the fact that we're consolidating. Go here, break even. I'm gonna target up here all the way. Just let it run. Oh Jesus. All right. Oh, I low-key like this for longs again. I'm gonna try it just with a tiny ass stop loss. How much did I make on that trade? 1K? 1,500. Okay, so I'll de-risk and I'll risk 500. So, because I still like this. Okay, it did go up, but we're just consolidating here. Okay, there we go. We just made another 1.2K. I'll take half, and then I'll do this, and then I'll just let it play. Mama ain't raised no bitch, Miles. TGR was not right. Bang, baby. All right, 50% off. Start trailing this hoe. Bang. That's how we do it, bro. That is how we do it, bro. Take a lot of this shit off. Oh, we accidentally took all of it off. Bang. Bang. That's how we do it. We are currently sitting at 27K. This shit is too easy, bro. It really depends. I haven't traded this for. I wasn't trading this with the IB. This is very new to me. Um, I send out my profits in the Outlook. Um, I've had I've had a month similar to this. Um, yeah, I mean, I literally just graduated, so yes, this is the only thing I do, and it's the only thing I will be doing. Um, I really, I've been trading, like swing trading and shit like that for about 3 years, and then I started with futures. Actually, I think it's been longer than three. I don't know. I started with futures. I made some money, and then I was kind of lost. Like I was technically profitable, but I wasn't getting consistent profits. And then um, yeah, so it hasn't been that long. It's not, I haven't been profitable with futures for 3 years. That's for sure. Okay, Ethan, who is reacting with a dick emoji? Oh, I probably shouldn't say that on the call or on the video. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to scrap these videos. I'm not gonna lie because they're so long. Well, they're so long. Okay, you're right. Okay, guys, step one. Again, you guys should know this by now. VWAP, anchored, right? It is VWAP has been anchored. Now, what do we do after the VWAP is anchored? We want to. I'm actually gonna make a document and I'll send it out to you guys, where I just do a step by step for you guys. Um, let's see. Okay, a high and then a low is made. So, let's see. All right. Potential shorts here. This is very late into the day though. So, and the 0. It didn't get hit actually. Getting some consolidation here. Then I want to try this. That Big Daddy taught me. And we are also right at point of control. So, again, this is not advised. This is just me kind of doing what I do because I'm so fucking tough. Never mind. I'm not taking this. This is 60 points. What is this P? Okay, I guess I'll take it actually, but and then like that. Oh, yeah, I have no balls. That would have been shit. I ain't stupid. Okay, I might just exit this cuz oh, or not. Or not. Take 400 off. No, actually I need wait, let me take like 10%. It was one mini. I want to get to 20 no, 28k. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, we're at 28k. W. Now I'll let this shit play out. Yeah. However, a lot of people struggle with this. The high and the low of the day looks like low volume nodes, but they're not. It just looks like it's not the same thing. It's just that it's the low, so there hasn't been a lot of volume transacted there, but it doesn't always work the same way as a low volume node, if that makes sense. Bang. Statistics, statistics, statistics. Yes. In how many days? This has probably been like 2 weeks of back. Nah, maybe more actually. We've probably gone through 3 weeks. It's been a bit slower than it was yesterday. I made like 20k yesterday. Actually, no, I made 17. Oh, so we've made another like 17 or something. How much did I start with? Yeah, yeah, it was. All right, not bad. So we've pretty much doubled it. 11,000 in like 3 weeks of data, guys. Shit. I mean, can I send you what? Yeah, I got you, bro. This is real money. Oh yeah, for sure. I go live 9:30. 9:30. Oh, you're saying on Saturdays? I don't usually do this. This was just new because I got some people asking me about it. I might start doing this though. If people want me to do back testing and shit, I might start doing this. Um, yeah, I mean, I could do this for sure. But normal days, I go live 9:30 a.m. EST. Um, okay. I love you too, but that was kind of gay. Uh, no, no, don't worry. It's all right. Wait, where are you going? No, no, no. There. Tell her the IB is being taught right now, and she has to wait. God damn it. Oh shit. All right. All right. All right. Goodbye, bruh. Yeah, I want to hold your hand. That sounded very gay. Hey, I never said that. All right. Okay. I'm gonna end the recording here.